Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something very close to college student life. Social media is actually helping students learn, or is it become a distraction? So in here I'm with Tika, my friend in class who actively use social media. Hi Tika.
Hi, thanks for inviting me. I am so very excited to share my thought.
Great. Let's start with a simple question. How often do you use social media in your daily life?
I use it every day, probably around 3 to 5 hours. I usually check Instagram, TikTok, and then sometimes YouTube.
Okay, that's quite a lot of time. What do you usually do on those platforms?
Mostly I watch video YouTube, and chat with my friends, and something I am look for educational content like study tips or explanation for school subjects.
Okay, so what you say social media actually help your learning?
Yes, and some ways, for example, like when I don't understand a topic in class, I can easily find short video on YouTube that explanation it clearly. It's faster and sometimes more interesting. And then textbook. Nah,
That's true. Many students feel the same way, but on the other hand, do you ever feel distracted by social media?
yes, I very often sometimes I just want to study for a few minutes, but then I open social media and end up scrolling TikTok for hours without realizing it.
Oh, that sounds like something many student experience. So, why do you think it's so easy to get distracted?
I think it's because the content is designed to keep us watching, and the videos are short and entertaining and endless, so it's hard to stop.
Me too.
Yeah.
That's uninteresting. So, would you say social media is more harmful than helpful?
Not really. I think it depends on how we use it. If we use it wisely, it can be very helpful. But if we don't control ourselves, it can become a problem.
That's right, it become problem. And can you give an example of using social media easily?
Sure. For example, setting a time limit and then following educational account and avoiding content that wastes time.
Right. That's a good strategy. Okay, now let's talk about another issue. Do you think social media affects student mental health?
Yes, I think it does. Sometimes students compare themselves to others and that can make them feel insecure or stress.
That's a serious concern. Then, have you ever felt that way?
Sometimes, yes, and especially when I see people posting like about their achievement or perfect life, but I try to remind myself that social media is doesn't always show reality.
Okay, that's a very mature perspective. So, what do you think teachers should do about students using social media?
I think teacher can use social media as a learning For example, maybe they can share educational videos or get interactive assignment.
That's a great idea. Turning a distraction into a learning, the opportunity. Okay, now let's imagine a situation. If you had to live without social media for 1 week, what would happen?
For 1 week,
Yes.
maybe at first it would be difficult because I am so used to it. But I think after a few days, I would feel more focused and maybe less stressed.
Stress, that's interesting. So, maybe taking a break is also important.
Yes, definitely. A digital break can help us reset and manage our time better.
Alright, last question. What advice would you give to other students about using social media?
Advice. I would say use social media as a tool and not as a distraction. But aware of your time, choose useful content and don't compare yourself too much to others.
Okay, that's very thoughtful advice. Okay, thank you so much, Tika, for sharing your experience and your idea. Thank you, very thank you.
Thank you. I enjoy this conversation very much.
Okay, and thank you to everyone who's watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and